Hey everyone, Sheree here. Today I have the beautiful Kolly kit to share with you. Let's just open it up and take a peek. Alright, so we've got one of the add-ons here, which I'll show you a little bit later. And let's have a look in here. Ooh, lots of beautiful things. Oh, I'm loving these felt daisies. Okay, I'm going to get everything out of the box and we're going to take a closer look. Okay, so here we have everything included in the beautiful Felicity Jane Kolly Kit. So this is our August kit. Lots of really pretty colours. I'm loving the greens and the pinks in this one. All right, I'll just give you a quick look at a couple of things that I don't need to take out of the packs. This is the Collie Puffy Alphabet. I love this scripty font. We've had it before in black and I loved it then as well. So as you can see, we've got multiples of all the letters here. They're all in lowercase, but as you place these down onto your project, you can join each one together to make a beautiful scripty word. And I'm loving this gorgeous pink color as well. So that is the Collie Puffy Alphabet. We also have a really gorgeous foil washi tape. So nice and neutral. It's going to go with anything, any project as well. So that is the beautiful foil washi tape, lovely grid pattern. We also have our Collie stamp set. As always, it comes in its own little handy pouch. I love that scalloped edge on the top there. We've got some really lovely words and this gorgeous rainbow. We've got a flower as well, so we've got beautiful you, one of a kind, a little cluster of stars here. We've got so happy. The flower and the stem are separate there, so you can play around with that, and there's a little flower center as well. We've got the words currently, eating, learning, watching, loving, listening to, dreaming, working on, creating, dreading. It's a fun one. And we've also got this circular stamp here that says my story. Now I believe the stamp itself is solid. Let me just take that out quickly. Okay, so that is a solid stamp. So all three of those rainbow bits are all in one stamp. I cannot wait to play with that. Absolutely love rainbows, and I love a fun flower stamp too. And these words are so versatile. Lots of different projects you could make with that stamp set. All right, we've got some other fun things here to look at, which I'll take out of their packs. So I'll do that and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, so here we have these really fun Collie shaker shapes. So we have two included in this pack. We've got the flower and the heart. They also have a little hole punched out so that you can attach them to a chain or a ribbon on the spine of your mini album. Would be really cute. So the heart has the little pink sequins inside. Love that. And this cute little flower has gold in the center, got little tiny gold sequins and white sequins around the edge in those flower petals. So that is the flower. Love these. Can't wait to see what everyone does with these. And they are the Collie shaker shapes. Here we have our really sweet little Collie felt daisies. There are 21 pieces included in this pack, and I love these. Little felt flowers with a felt center, and there's a teeny tiny cross stitch in the center as well, which is really lovely detail. So we've got 7 little daisies all up, and then we have about 14 leaves in 2 shades of the green. So there's so many things you can do with these. These are going to look absolutely gorgeous on a project. So you can put your little leaves, tuck them under the flower there. I love these. These are one of my favorite things in this kit. They are the Holly Felt Daisies. Next up we have the Collie number balloon die cuts, and there are 10 pieces in this pack. You get numbers from 0 right through to number 9. They are absolutely adorable. How cute are these numbers? They're around 2.5 inches from the top down to the bottom of the balloon there. These are going to look gorgeous. You can pair these together to make any number you like. These would look really cute on a project with some twine coming down from the bottom of the balloons. So very sweet. So they are the Collie number balloon die cuts. Here we have our Collie die cut shapes. There are 28 pieces in this pack, and these are so adorable. All right, we've got Collie herself here in the center, a little tag, we've got a bow, a little banner, so cute. We've got some beautiful floral pieces here as well. Another balloon number here. This one's a number 8 for August. We also have this piece here, which you could add to the bottom of that balloon on your project. How cute is that? You can use that piece for lots of different things as well. We've got some little stars here. We've got 3 pink and we've got 5 of the foil. Cute little rainbow piece at the top there. We've got the words let's eat cake, birthday and celebrate. We've also got a cake here, a little party hat, a couple of hearts. I love this piece here, this circular piece with a scalloped edge, perfect for a little bit of journaling. We've also got some tabs here in the pink and the yellow gingham, and I just love these pieces. These are going to be so fun to play with. They are the Collie die cut shapes. Okay, we also have the Collie sequin mix, and I have zoomed in a little bit here so that you can see what's included in this pack. We've got a variety of flowers in different shades of pinks and white, and there's also these cute little leaf pieces as well. So these are going to be perfect for making your own little shaker pockets, little shaker windows. These are really fun. So that is the Collie sequin mix. As always, we have some beautiful journaling cards included in the kit. There are always 12 in the pack. On the back of the cards, it's either a grid or a dot grid, so nice and neutral for you to use on your projects for whatever you like. But on the front is where all the prettiness happens, so let's take a look at what's included in this pack. So this first one, we've got a beautiful floral background with the white piece in the center that you can write in, add a little photo or embellishments to. So that's our first one. Next up we have this one here with a beautiful pink with a scalloped edge, so you can add a photo at the top and a little bit of journaling at the bottom there. Really love this color, super pretty. That's that one. We have this light green gingham with a white section at the top or the bottom, whichever way you want to use it. Lovely floral card here with some lines you can add your own journaling to. That's really pretty, love that one. We've got some diagonal pink stripes with an oval white center. That's perfect for journaling. We've got this olive grid background with the chapter number 8 for August. Love this card, beautiful rainbow, always going to be a favourite. Pink background with some white polka dots. We've got another pink one here, slightly lighter shade with a diagonal gingham, really lovely. We've got this black frame with the white centre, so you could cut that out and put a photo behind or add journaling to the centre there. This one's really fun, Happy You Day, that's lovely, perfect for any day of celebration. And then we've got this one here with all the stripes in all the colours. I always love those ones. So they are the Collie journaling cards. Don't they look fantastic all together? And I love that rainbow. Okay, the last item in the kit, of course, is the Collie paper pack. As always, we have our packaging strip on the front with a little sample of each of the papers included, just in a miniature version. So that is really handy to keep and use however you wish. You could use punches on it, use it as is, whatever you like. So always keep that and use it whenever you can. In our paper pack, we also have this little swatch here with all the colours from the kit. This is really fun to use. We've got Moody Pink, Blush, Pink Cloud, Marigold, Juniper, Moss and Denim. So you could cut these up to use separately in a grid or use it just like it is. Lots of fun things you can do with that one. Okay, so let's have a look at our gorgeous patterns here. So this first paper is our floral. Perfect for fussy cutting or using just as it is. On the reverse, we have this really pretty green gingham, and the branding strip on this one is a really lovely floral. Okay, our next piece here is stars. Love that, that's really fun. On the reverse, we have these tiny black hearts, and we have a grid pattern down that branding strip. Love this pink background with spots. On the reverse, we have some confetti, really fun, and then we have a diagonal striped pink branding strip there. Our next paper is that lovely olive green with a diagonal stripe. That one is called Stripes. And on the back, we have these sweet little flowers with a pink background. Really cute. And then we have an olive green gingham on that branding strip. Our next paper is called Lattice, nice and neutral. On the back we have an olive green background with white polka dot, and then we have a little pink scallop edge on that branding strip. Our next paper here is called Dots, another beautiful neutral paper. This is perfect for all sorts of things. On the back, this one's called Sparkle, covered in all those little stars, the same as what's in the die cut shapes. We also have this pink with polka dot branding strip. As always, we have our solid colour papers included in the pack. So this one here, we have the 2 shades of pink. We always have our scallop branding strip on these ones as well. And then we have the olive green here, and on the reverse, that lighter shade of green. Absolutely loving the colours in this kit. So that is the Collie paper pack. We also have a few add-ons that you'll find in the Collie section of the shop. So we have some really fun stamp sets. This one is birthday themed. It says happy birthday. We also have celebrate, this bee with the birthday word under it. We've got a candle, cute little cupcake pieces, some stars, some little confetti here, some little dots, and we also have a larger star, the Happy You Day, It's Your Day, a scalloped piece here, and Happy Birthday. And there's a tiny Happy You Day down the bottom corner as well, which is the name of the stamp set. So that is the Happy You Day stamp set. Absolutely love that. As always, it's in its own handy little pouch, keeping all the stamps nice and safe inside. There is also a die set to go with that. So you've got the dies for Happy Birthday, you've got this scalloped piece. This is my favourite. I'm going to be using this all the time. We've also got these little banner pieces, a tiny little birthday word here, and then we've got some stars, which is going to be really fun to cut out like little star confetti. So that is the You Day die set to go along with the Happy You Day stamp set. We also have the rainbow dies and the flower die to go along with the Collie stamp set. So there's your rainbow and your flower there, and there's also the dies to cut those out. So that's really fun as well. And then we have this sweet little mini stamp set. We've got a rainbow, the words smile, love and happy. We've got a little spotty heart here, a smiley face, some little dots, a little cluster of dots there, 2 different size stars, and the word hi down the bottom. So that is the mini stamp set that's also available. I've got one more thing to show you and I'll be back in a moment. Okay, the last item I have to share with you today, you might have seen when I first opened my kit box. So we have Collie herself. This is the card that comes in every kit box that goes out throughout August. So that's that one you could use. My paper pack here came with this lovely furry twine or ribbon, so I'll definitely be using that on one of my projects. But this here is the Collie 6x8 paper pack. Normally we have a 6x6 paper pack, but this one is 6x8. So if you're a person who works in a 6x8 album, this is going to be perfect for you. Or you can just use these on any project, of course, but it's a lovely, slightly bigger piece of paper. All right, so we have our packaging piece here that you could use. You can cut up and use that however you like. But let's take a look at these 8 double-sided papers inside. So we have this gorgeous floral on this side here, and then we have that darker green colour in the diagonal stripe. A lovely marigold background with some white spots. On the reverse, we have that pink diagonal gingham pattern. I love this one, some notebook paper with the lines there, love that. On the reverse, absolutely gorgeous rainbow. That's going to be hard to decide if I'm going to cut that one up or use that side. I love this one. All right, so that's the rainbow. We also have that darker green in this gingham pattern, love that. On the reverse, that really sweet floral pattern there. And then we have some more of the same. So you've got multiples, you've got 2 of each of the double-sided papers included in this little pack. So that is the 6x8 paper pack. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing what is included in the Kolly kit this month over at Felicity Jane. Just remember too, all of these pieces are available separately in the store. So if you didn't want the whole kit but you did like some of these things, you can get them individually. I'll leave a link down below for you. But if you don't want to miss out on these beautiful things, head on over there and grab this kit for yourself. And also, don't forget those add-ons as well. So thank you so much for joining me today. I look forward to bringing you some projects using these beautiful things very soon, and have a lovely day. Bye for now.